Hello.
Hi, how are you?
What is your name?
My name is Anna.
Where are you from?
I am from Korea.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
How old are you?
I am 20 years old.
Do you speak English?
Yes, a little.
Where do you live?
I live in Seoul.
What do you do?
I am a student.
Are you busy today?
No, I'm free.
Do you like coffee?
Yes, I do.
What time is it?
It is 3 p.m.
Can you help me?
Sure.
How much is this?
It is $10.
Where is the bathroom?
It is over there.
Are you hungry?
Yes, I am.
Let's eat lunch.
Good idea.
What do you like to eat?
I like noodles.
See you tomorrow.
See you.
Have a nice day.
You too.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.